Want to update the phone number linked to your Binance account? Here's how to do it. First of all, you want to launch open the Binance app on your device. On the home screen, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here you want to tap on your profile. Here you want to tap on the option of security. Now tap on this arrow to reveal the phone number option. Go ahead and select that. Now, if you have not added your phone number, tap on the add phone number option and then go ahead and add it from here. But if you have already added it and you want to change your phone number, then tap on the pencil icon next to your number, then confirm by tapping continue. Binance will send a verification code to your existing number. Enter that code to proceed. Now, type in your new phone number and tap get code. You'll receive a fresh code on that number. Enter it and then tap submit. Once verified, your Binance account will be updated with the new phone number. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.